All right, people, welcome to this part of the training where I'll be showing you how to design a business card using Adobe Illustrator. So we move very straight to the point. This video is going to be short because we do not need hours to design business card anymore. So we go straight to the point, and we'll be using FreePick. So I just head over to freepik.com. Yes. Um, and I'll search for business card. Search for business card, and I click the search button. I'll select vector because I need vector designs so that I'll be able to edit them. So I'll just head over to, okay, let's pick this design. There are a lot of them, very beautiful designs. And I mentioned, or I'm going to mention that whenever you see this here, this is paid. This is a paid version. This is a paid version. This is a paid version. So for the purpose of this class, we'll be using this free one. So you click on it. When it's up, you click on downloads. But I already have it downloaded in my system, so I'll just go over to my downloads. It's supposed to be somewhere there. Downloads. I guess it's somewhere here. Here. All right. So once it's downloaded, you open it and then you click on the EPS file. It's going to open with Adobe Illustrator. This windows is supposed to come up. You click on yes, and then it comes up in Adobe Illustrator. And from there, we'll be doing our design using the Illustrator. So, as we're waiting for it to come up, I'd like to let you know that you downloaded a pack that's containing the EPS version and the JPEG version of this design. The JPEG version is the picture version, or the EPS version is that version where you can actually edit it using the AI, Adobe Illustrator. Yes. So some other packs come with the fonts and every other thing that's needed for the design, but this came with just the JPEG version, and that's what we will be making use of. So it's going to open on your Illustrator, and let me zoom this out so that we can see it clearly. I think I do 150. Yes, 150 is fine. So the first thing you might want to do here is creating a new page for this document. So I'll click on new, and I'll head over to Google because one thing that FreePick doesn't do is giving you the exact size for your work. So I come here and I say I need a business card size in pixels. Exactly. Yes, business card size in pixels. And I know the size already, but for the purpose of this training, I'm just going to use Google. So you can make use of this. So the size is 150. I'm gonna copy this 150 by 600 pixels. 150 by 600 pixels. So I'll come back here and I'll say this is for business fronts, for instance, and I'll say it's already on pixels, so I'll paste what I copied, 1050 by 600. Okay. So the implication is this: whatever design you do, listen, guys, whatever design you do should remain on this page. Should remain here. This is the size of a standard card. So I'll go back to the other design, the one we downloaded. Of course, you know you have to ungroup it first. When you ungroup it, you remove this background. We don't need it. I'll remove it. No, okay, I'll ungroup it. When I ungroup it, I remove this background. We don't need it. I remove this also. We don't need it. We don't need it. Okay, I remove this. We don't need it. Okay, I remove the shadow as well. We do not need it. Yes. What else do we not need here? Okay, I think that's all. So I'll copy this. Control C for copy, and then I come here and paste it. So you see how small it was, or it's yes, how small it was. So fitting it to the size of a standard card, you have to drag this end, put it here, and then drag this end and put it here, and you're good. So what do you do next? You ungroup this section too because they are always grouped. So you ungroup this section and you might want to edit this. So I'll edit it. So I'll just click on it. I'll delete this. Use my text box to type my brand name, which is Freedom Tech. I'll use Freedom Tech. So I'll just pick this, bring it here. I'll just pick this, bring it here. I'll change the font first of all, something catchy. Let's do this, and then I'll change the color too. Let me pick it first. I'll change the color to white, and then I'll change the size to something bigger. Let's do 24. No, 24 is kind of small, so I'll pick let's say 30. Okay, 36 is fine, I guess. No, I didn't get that. I'll pick it. I'm getting 36. Okay, let's do 48. Depending on what your client wants, though. I'm changing this logo. I'll delete this. I'll come here and I'll click on place. Right? I have my logo somewhere under downloads. So once this windows come up, I go to downloads, and then I searching for my logo. Okay, I think I have it here, and then I place it. Yes. Good. Our design is beginning to make sense. So I'll delete this, the tagline. I'll click on this. I'll first of all copy Control C and then paste Control V, right? So I come here and I edit it to become my tagline. So I'll say technology at its peak. All right. Technology at its peak. First of all, I would want to reduce the font because it's a tagline. It shouldn't be competing with the brand name. Yes. I'll put this somewhere here. I'll put this somewhere here, right? I'll put this somewhere here. And then I would want to change the font as well to something catchy. Now, this is your call. Whatever you want to do here is your business, or whatever your client wants is his business. But I'm just showing you a step by step guide, creating a wonderful and a beautiful card. Okay, so as you can see, the back of our card is ready. Just as simple as that. In the same vein, you go here, and then you create a new document, and you okay. Let's do business card back now. All right, and then the size comes up again. I'll do 50. I come back here. First of all, I delete the. Let me ungroup this first. Okay. First of all, I delete this. And secondly, I delete this. The shadow, we don't need it. But it's going to be a printed document, so there's no point putting the shadow. Okay, so I come back here to the back and then I paste. Same thing we did. Same thing we did. Yes. Same thing we did. Same thing. Same thing. Okay. Now, your name. I'll just come here. I'm lazy, I don't like typing. So I'll just copy this, then I'll bring it here. I'll delete this first of all. First of all, let me ungroup it. Um, okay, I'll delete just the name, your name. I'll delete it, and I'll paste this here. first thing I want to do is changing it to another color, maybe green. No, green and white goes well. Okay, my name is Freedom Go On, but this is way too big. So what do? You reduce the font size, yes, and I'll just leave this at graphics designer. I think it's fine that way. I'll leave it at graphics designer. Okay. The next thing I would want to do is changing all this. First of all, I'll have to ungroup it. Like I said, it's always grouped. So I'll ungroup this too. And I'll just remove this. Delete it. I'm pasting what I copied from there. And I'm gonna reduce, I'll make it green as well. So I'll reduce the to something small. Okay, I'll make it, I think this is fine. Alright, I'll bring it here and I'll say stay in Chika, FCT Abuja. That's my client's address. And then I say I ungroup. I'm gonna ungroup this as well. I'll click on the numbers, delete it. I think I should just copy this one because this one is already formatted to what I want. Copy and I paste it immediately. I pick this and then I bring it here. Okay, guys. The next thing I want to do is imputing my number. I could say +234. Hey, that's not true. 234 7085, like that. Okay, and then my email should be this. I'll ungroup it as usual. You already know that. Deleting this and I'm pasting what I had. I'll just keep it here and I'll say freedom tech knowledges dot 70 first of all at gmail.com, right? And then what do we have here? We have this. Okay. I'll copy this, paste it, bring it down, bring it down, and then I have freedom tech dot dot com. Yes, that is it. Good. And trust me, guys, our card is ready. Our card is ready. Exact size, a beautiful design. Now you can imagine wanting to do all this using Corel Draw from scratch. It's a good experience, but trust me, it's really stressful. So if I'm going to give this to a client, he would love it. And you know what? I just got paid. So our card is ready. So what do you do from here? You highlight the whole thing, as you can see, and come to file, go to publish or rather save for web. Now, when you're saving for web, it comes up like this way. Here you can save as GIF, JPEG, PNG, or PNG24. So I'm saving as JPEG because it's going to be printed. So I'll click here, save. I'll select let me just save it on desktop. Business card back, and then this is the front. Highlight it, and then I save for web. Nope, nope. Save for web. I would select JPEG. It's already on JPEG. I save it to desktop. Now, guys, our design is ready. Our design is very, very ready, as you can see. Now we have the business card front. Okay, this is it. This is the back. Um, Boom. It's up. Beautiful design. Beautiful design. If you send this to a printer, one way they print your card for you, and you get a very, very beautiful design. And this is the back, as you can see. It's the front rather, as you can see. So guys, that is that about creating or designing a business card.